So in the bottom part of my sidebar here, I have this placeholder user profile text. And let's say, for example, here I wanted to show whatever the user's name is. Well, I could select this text, go to the styling tab, and I could bind the actual text value. And in this middle tab here, in the binding window, I can access all of the information about the current authenticated user. So I could expand this user object here. And as you can see inside of here, I have a bunch of information about the current signed in user. And so I could bind this to be their name value. And as you can see in the bottom left, this is now updated to be whatever the name is of the signed in person. And just to prove that this truly does use the information of the signed in user, let me show you a quick example if I switch to a different account. So if I navigate back to the sign up page, and I'm going to sign up now with a completely different account. And note here that the full name I've typed in that first input is test2. And this is important because once I sign up, you'll see now that in the bottom left, the name shown will be test2. So whatever we use from the authentication tab in the binding window will be whatever the information is of the current signed in user. And so that's how we can dynamically use and display the user's information in our interface. But what if we have some kind of records that we only want to show to very specific users?